Hello, testing.
Vaccination at work. Fully vaccinated workforce.
કીટ મોકલાવે which you તમારે એને પાછી મોકલાવાની છે, એ લોકો તમને પછી મોકલે છે ઘરે, પણ આ બીજી જે ઓવર ધ કાઉન્ટર તમને પલગ્રીનમાં મળે છે.
Amazon also sells it.
Yeah.
There are better version of those kits, like a pregnancy test kind of kit, you know.
like that, just like that.
Just like that. They are better one. So if you want to use, you can use those kind of kit, much better. Every woman knows how to use the pregnancy test kit, so this is much better.
And he says like three times કરીને પેલો
I know, but like the result, the interpretation, like easy to
Right,
interpret, like the pregnancy test kit, right? So it's same similar to that.
Yeah.
But buy it one, you don't have to mail.
Yeah, no, I have it because of Payal. I keep it in the house. When they come, I have to do it the test. That's why.
It's good to keep it.
Yeah.
10 લઈ લેવાની.
10 નું હમણાં ઓર્ડર કરું જ છું. અને
All right, so as far as the I mean, checking process is concerned, it's pretty simple. However,
નથી કશું દેખાય, આપણું કશું નથી.
yeah, and at the end, go ahead.
Hello, Bipin bhai, the question I have is on the cruise ship requires that we get a PCR test done on 14th or 15th, wherever we are in hotel or whatever,
Right.
and then get it. And now we have to carry it with them or we have to get it to them. And the second question is, if it's a regular PCR test, that requires 48 hours for the results. From my understanding, it is not if it's a regular PCR test. So which PCR or rapid PCR?
No, it is a PCR test. They are saying it.
So that is a 48 hours. Isn't
Well,
it takes 48 hours for the result?
no.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. How Argentina મોટાભાગની જે lab છે, they claim that they give in 12 hours. However, I know it is a challenge, for all of us, but that's what they say.
Yeah, because we are in Iguazu Falls on 14th and 15th. We arrive in our case. So on 14th, as soon as we reach Gran Melia Hotel, we have to see if somehow they will do the test, right?
Yeah,
You can do it at Iguazu Falls too. It has to be done within 48 hours. So
Right. So no,
Yeah,
that's
but
where we are.
Iguazu
We are in
Falls-
Iguazu Falls on 14th. And we have to get somehow the results, get the
Tunes-
test done and get the
Tunes-
results. So
Tunes,
we
you
have
can
to
get
the
it
challenge
all.
I see.
Let me
you'll get it in 24 hours.
let me ask you this, JD. Are you going to Brazil?
No, we are not going to Brazil. We are only in Argentina.
Okay, because it is it's much easier, like I mentioned to you in a PM, that it is much easier to do the PCR test on the Brazil side. About 3 to 4 hours, they'll give it to you.
Yeah. So now I'm checking. I called the hotel yesterday, but maybe day before yesterday on 24th, nobody picked up the phone. So maybe they're busy, but I'm going to follow up. But that's somehow we'll manage it. I know we will manage it, but that's the question in my mind, the challenge, that how do we get, because then we arrive only on 15th evening, 15th night into Buenos Aires, and 16th we are embarking. We can't do it here on obviously 12th or 13th because it has to be done in 48 hours before we embark, right, Bipin bhai?
Yeah, they say you have to do on 14th, no before, not before that.
Right.
Okay, so that is what they have clearly stated several times.
Yeah.
So that is following that, our challenge is to get this appointment done on 14th or 15th
So
and
we
get
will-
some kind of
We'll
results.
figure it out. And then one other information I wanted to pass to everybody. It happened to my nephew yesterday. He went to India yesterday by Kuwait Airlines, and Kuwait Airlines had told all the passengers that you need a 72 hours before anytime within the 72 hours, you have to take the test. And if it's negative, and you upload and all that good stuff. So he did it. Luckily, he did it in 48 hours instead of 72. His friend who was also traveling with him, he did according to the Kuwait Airlines in 72 hours. But yesterday morning, they changed the rule and they said that now it's 48 hours. So the poor guy, my nephew's friend and nephew, they both check in. Luckily, my nephew was 48 hours. So he got, and they canceled his flight because yours is 72 hours, but no grandfathering. There's no grandfathering of the rule. The new rule is 48 hours and you are done in 72 hours. So we canceled your flight.
Yeah.
So these are the things which we will never know, but we just have to be aware of. This is a true case of yesterday.
Yeah. I know.
Just do
Norwegian.
within 48 hours rather than 72 hours.
I
One
think we should
suggestion.
just do it in 48 hours or 20. That's exactly what I was thinking, that let's just as close to the flight. This is from here, like we are flying on American Airlines. So I'm going to make sure that we all do it only 24, 48 hours before the American Airlines our flight.
Yeah,
Those
Norwegian
people-
also had previously 72 hours. And I had set up
96.
appointment for everybody for my group on 13th, Now they changed for 48 hours. So
Exactly.
we are struggling, same thing you are doing it, which is we are on 14th on Brazil side of Iguazu,
Yeah.
And here is if you know who is this.
This is Praful there.
Hello?
I can't get in.
કેમ થયું એવું શું થાય છે તારે શું થાય છે
બે પેગ વધારે વાગી ગયા બીજું કઈ નહીં.
Okay.
No, he needs a GPS.
Yeah.
It's nothing to do with Gmail, Daila. Okay, હું તને મૂકું છું. No, link is not important. It's important is my code number and a password. Password is 1 2 3 4 and a code number મને યાદ ના રહે પણ હું તને મારે એમાં email માં જ છે. WhatsApp માં બી છે. હમણાં જ WhatsApp માં મેં હમણાં જ અડધો કલાક પહેલા જ મેં રીલોડ કર્યું છે entire thing માં. So go to listen to me. Simply go to Zoom. Okay, say join and put that number which I have it on that, and then push password. Okay, and we'll be looking forward to see you here. Otherwise, on 6th on Brazil, or rather Rio.
You guys
Sorry
are
about it. હજુ મહેશ કાકા નથી આયા. I don't know હવે
મહેશ કાકાના ગ્રાન્ડ કિડ્સ આયા છે
Grandkids.
એટલે આવા નથી આવવાના.
No,
એટલે
I
હવે
don't think so.
ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન ગ્રાન્ડ કિડ્સ ના સ્કેડ્યુલ
પણ
પર
મહેશ કાકાને એમ હશે કે નિલેશભાઈ ને સ્વીટી બધું સાંભળે છે એટલે બધું આવી જશે. Doctor-
Anyway, I'm recording. I missed it record initial portion of record, but I'm recording, and I'll just.
We got
upload
the
it.
notice.
Anybody want to
It is
listen?
being recorded. You want to
I
leave
don't
the
think
meeting.
anything
We
is
got the,
important going.
we got
but
the warning,
anyway.
Bipin bhai.
Give it.
The
And,
meeting is being recorded. You want to leave the meeting? We got a warning.
Yeah, it's being recorded. Yeah, I just got the notice here, notification. Now, and the last question I have is on the way back. Did you have a chance to confirm that Norwegian will do our PCR test or rapid PCR so that we can show it to the American Airlines for the flight
Coming back.
to?
Yes. Norwegian says for everybody they will do whichever test required. That's what they say. Okay. Now I believe the American requires a PCR test.
Yeah, they do
I
PCR.
believe.
Yes.
Okay, again, you have to correct because I'm
No, it
losing
is
my
correct.
mind also on all the rules. And so I'm assuming that they would do for us PCR over there. Because that's what they have promised us,
Oh, good.
all right? So.
Is it in a return?
Yeah,
Coming back,
yeah.
yes. Those who are flying back directly,
It's
If
on
you are
Norwegian
flying
side.
somewhere
If you go
else,
to Norwegian, it is
then
legal.
they have no responsibility of doing whatever other places you do it. So that part is so far looks like squared, that. I don't know, Mahendra, do you remember anything about checking in or Nilesh bhai today, anything that you may want to add it other than I said?
We had no issue, but people who are coming to us with us like Dio. So when you go into from Iguazu to Buenos Aires.
No, I was talking only about NCL.
registration.
Yeah, NCL checking માં જ કહું છું.
Yeah.
When you put your flight from Iguazu Falls, Argentina to Buenos Aires, we have 5 numbers, but they only want last 4 numbers. So when you if you put 5 numbers, they won't allow you proceed.
They don't need the alphas. They just need the numerical
No,
portion.
no, there are 5 numerical numbers, but they don't want the last 5th one. Like they just want the last 4 numbers.
Oh, really?
Okay.
No, but this is for people who are
Still
coming
is not
to
going to apply
Iguazu.
to you.
If you are coming directly to Buenos, you don't have to worry that thing.
No, we are coming from Iguazu to Buenos Aires. Yeah.
So I don't know, check your flight number. We have 5 numbers. After the letters, there are ABC, there are 5 numbers. So I put 5 numbers, they wouldn't take it.
So Niteshbhai, you are coming
હસમુખભાઈ તમારું
or
હસમુખભાઈ
59.
તમારું મ્યુટ છે એટલે નથી સંભળાતું એટલે અનમ્યુટ કરીને પછી પૂછો.
Bipin bhai,
Haji.
I did all the part of my checking, only my flights when I'm entering. It won't let me save nothing. I checked 3 times. Whatever they needed, I enter, but somehow I cannot save it and proceed. That's the only part is not done for me. I don't know why.
So they are asking for
I
flight
don't
information.
know,
Yes, I did flight. I did easy because what we are not going to the same airport as you guys are going. We are going to different airport. So we did easy.
yeah, but I personally
Easily?
think Norwegian and I have to reconfirm though, Norwegian flight information is not critical unless you are going directly. You
Okay.
know,
No,
I-
it is
'cause they-
required
they-
when
they,
you,
you know,
today,
they don't
let me
need to
check
know
it.
exactly how you are going, where you are going from and where.
Bipin
Okay,
bhai,
yeah.
today, I think Niruben, are you talking about today's check-in into the NCL?
Yes.
Yes, so what happens, this is what I was saying, that when you put your flight number, are you talking about the flight numbers?
Yes. I did 418, 419. I did everything.
Uh-huh.
I did my airport easy everything, whatever date, but somehow it won't, the save part is not highlighted. It won't let me save and
So
proceed.
did you register for the COVID test?
No.
Okay, so
That's
there is
right.
a line there, you have to click on it. That will
Okay.
take you to the COVID registration site,
That
which
may
is
be the
an
problem,
external
right.
site.
Yeah, and it requires a COVID test.
But how do, where do we register? Do we have to?
It's right there. It's on the same screen, about 3rd line down. It's
Okay.
highlighted in bold.
I'll check it out.
Okay, now talking about Bipin bhai, you mentioned something about what else is left. Did everybody see? I'm sure you got umpteen emails from NCL for the 3 countries that we have to upload the documents. I have not done it. Bipin bhai has tried it. Can you enlighten everybody, please?
Yeah, that was going to be second topic anyway.
Okay,
There are 3 forms required as per Norwegian has written it. And they are for the Argentina. Argentina requires when you, I guess, both time, the departure as well as arrival time. And so the ship requires for that Argentina form. Then there is which is other country? I can't.
Uruguay and Chile.
Uruguay,
Uruguay and
right,
Chile.
and Chile. So all 3 requires, and they are challenged because they are in Spanish. Of course, some of the forms do have on the side in English.
They have
Okay.
English.
So that does happen. Now I'm going to try to share with you, if you allow me for 1 minute, the forms, which is, I have it somewhere here, hopefully.
NCL ની email આવી છે ને એમાં છે જ બધા એમને. You just click on
I
the link.
know. If you, okay, this is the one Argentina form, okay? And this basically is a very simple form. It's like આપણે દરેક પહેલા જતા હતા airline માં, ત્યારે before you land, you fill up the card, with the immigration or other custom as well as health નું બી ઘણી વખત line હોય છે. Okay, you are okay. So it's simple in that respect, passport. The tricky part is somewhere first line where they say country, again, only in Argentina. When you say country, you won't find USA
USA, yeah.
because they call it,
Union.
Unitas.
Estados Unidos.
Yeah,
there
Itas
you are.
Unitas. It's a French malakeli.
so
No, E.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Ima
yeah.
આવશે, Itas Unitas.
that's it. So that's the, I didn't
No,
know.
આવી ગયું, આમાં તો United States જ છે.
Very
I
fast
see United
Bipin
States
bhai.
of America. Go up.
There's United States of
Fast Bipin
America.
bhai.
It is
Did I miss
there.
it?
Yeah.
Oh,
They-
oh,
Yeah,
Argentina,
United States, they
oh,
changed it.
that's interesting. Right now it is coming United States. It didn't come before. But maybe whatever reason it is, I had a problem finding that, but they do have a different Spanish name. And that's why it comes sometime, but right now it came United States. Maybe they
Yeah.
changed overnight. Who
No,
knows?
no, yeah, you can choose English, Bipin bhai. See here, there is an English thing here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
you could
English
choose
choose Kerala,
English,
right?
but
The language.
somehow I remember when I did in Spanish also United States came. Earlier when I did it, it didn't give me that, it gives that Spanish name,
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think everybody should notice that because Bipin Bhai is right. Even if you switch it to English, it does not give you USA. You
Right.
have to go to that
But-
Unidas.
Correct.
Alphabetically.
But whatever reason it
Yes,
is, right now it
Ramana,
is giving
yeah.
United States.
Ah.
That's
Yes, yes, yes.
interesting,
It-
and
it's correct.
that is
Do
so
we?
another form is the,
Form?
sorry.
Nasa, everybody has to fill out this form?
Correct.
Yes.
By the way,
For that.
this form is also, this form also you have to fill out 48 hours before. So once again, it is to be done on 14th or 15th and when you are there. And these are, when you look at it, it frustrated me for a while, but it does work, afterwards it's just simple, But again, the same thing that you have a COVID issue, not and this and that, that's the answer. That's the form it is about, that you have a vaccination done, and that is what you are affidavitting, So this is the
ફોર્મ
second,
છે ક્યાં પણ બિપિનભાઈ?
See, એની email આવી છે ને એમાં.
છે.
I will
Email
reload tomorrow that
Mail.
એ લોકોની email બધા મને તો almost 40-50 વખત આવી છે, કારણ તમારે બધાને મોકલે છે, એ મને મોકલે છે. અને એ એક વખત નથી મોકલી, પણ 4-5 વખત મોકલી.
કેમ કે
અમને
મારે
અમને 3-4 દિવસ સવાર સાંજ 2-2 વાર આવી. 3-4 દિવસ 2-2 વાર આવી.
Right. અને
મારે
મારે
નથી આવી હજુ.
મોટી બેન જંકમાં જોજો તો બહુ ઢગલો આવી છે.
ઓ બાપરે, એવું છે? જંકમાં જોવી પડશે તો તમારે.
હા.
મેં બી નથી જોયું એટલે હું પણ
મેં
જોઈ.
જોઈ
Anyway,
નથી.
નાસાજી, તમારામાંથી એક ફોરવર્ડ કરી દેજો ને આપણા જલસા ગ્રુપમાં.
tomorrow આપણું એન્ટાર્કટિકા ક્રુઝનું જે WhatsApp છે એમાં હું એ લેટર કે જે બધાને મોકલાયું છે લોકોએ એ મોકલીશ, કે જેમાં આ 3 ફોર્મનું એ લોકોએ નામ લખેલું છે. એ પહેલા બીજું બી લખ્યું થોડું, પણ આ 3 ફોર્મની લિંક આપેલી છે.
આ તે એ ફોરવર્ડ કરજો ને જરા, કારણ કે મને તો નથી, મેં તો જોઈએ
હા, નહીં, Serubhen, I just said it. Tomorrow I'm going to put it on a WhatsApp. And these forms are not forms there. They are a link.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
So
Yeah.
that link you have to use, and that's where but you don't need to do today.
Okay.
This has to be done.
48 hours.
કોણ આવ્યું આ?
મહેશભાઈ લાગે છે.
મારા બનેવી આયા?
હા.
ગ્રાન્ડ કિડ્સ ઘેર ગયા. સુવાનો ટાઈમ થયો.
ના, જોઈન કેમનું કરવાનું? તમારે આવી જાવ ને, કેમનું થવાનું જોઈન? શું થયું તને? અડધો કલાકથી શું કહો છો?
માસાજી, અમારે કોઈ જ ઈમેલ આવી નથી હા આવી.
Okay. Let me. I don't know. ભાઈ એક મિનિટ યાર, મેં કોઈને સ્ટોપ નથી કર્યા, તને કેવી રીતે હું એન્ટર કરું એ મને ખબર નથી પડતી. If anybody has an idea, let me know.
પ્રફુલભાઈ જોડે જીપીએસ શેર કર દો.
પ્રફુલ આવી ગયો છે ને યાર. તું એક
હમણાં કોઈ
કામ
સગાએ
કર મને.
ડ્રોપ થવું પડે.
એક કામ,
મહેશ બના
અલ્યા
સગા
કોડ
હોય,
આપણો
drop
નથી કરશે
થાય
યાર,
તો
આ
આવવા દે.
માણસોને યાર. જો સાંભળ હવે સાંભળ.
because he put the link.
છેલ્લી મેં હમણાં જ WhatsApp પર મોકલ્યું છે અડધો કલાક પહેલા, 4:30 5 વાગે 5:30 એમાં. અરે યાર હું તને શું કહું યાર, હવે લિસન, આ બધા અહીંયા છે. I cannot waste every, I can't. એક કામ કર, તું મહેન્દ્રને ફોન કરે, કે એ ઓલરેડી WhatsApp માં મોકલી છે યાર, એ લિંકમાં there is a
પાસવર્ડ 1 2 3 4.
બંને વસ્તુ છે એમાં ઇન્ફોર્મેશન.
Hey, Bipin
Praful.
uncle, I just copy and
Praful.
pasted the Zoom link in
પ્રફુલ
the
ફોન કરીને ગાઈડ કરને ભાઈ
chat
એને.
again.
પ્રફુલ ફોન કરીને ગાઈડ કરે. Anyway, so we are talking about, we have this form. એટલે basically હું તમને મોકલીશ ને, એની લિંક થી થશે, પણ by the way, don't worry about right now, because this has to be done on 14th. So you can filling up, if you want to spend time, good to know about it, but it is to be done on 14th or 15th. Okay?
Sorry,
So when we are, those who are, somebody has to take a lead on help others, you know, around, whoever around. But the real challenge form, in my opinion, is the next one, which is a Chile.
Chile one.
Okay. And I'm just trying to even, એને લાવવા માટે બી challenge છે મારા માટે. એમાં બે છે, એમાં બે સ્ટેપ છે. એક સ્ટેપ છે કે જેમાં તમારે તમારું આઈડેન્ટિટી શું કરવાનું, એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરવાનું વિથ ચિલે. એટલે એને એની અંદર ટ્રિકી શું છે કે તમે જ્યારે આ ફોર્મ પર જશો, આ C19 ફોર્મનું લિંક છે, અને when you go that link, it takes you to the next page, which is like this, you know. And any અંદર તમને આ પેજ પર લઈને ઉભા રાખશે, and you will be frustrated how to log in. But realistically, you go to email and you create your email and you send it. You know, which you create email, અને તમે email મોકલશો એટલે તમને email confirmation કરવા માટેનું response કરવો પડશે. Just like any other things work nowadays, you know.
So password, email and a password.
Password તમે create કરશો.
You create your own password.
Okay, create your own
password. And then, but what I'm trying to say, that our form in the, it comes up like this, and I was frustrated for.
આશાજી,
હાજી.
દીપકને આજે ચેક ઇન કર્યું ને, તો એ કહે છે આ લિંક છે ને, just you checking, એમાં આવે છે આ.
આ લિંક નથી, અમારે નથી.
No, link આવે છે. આ link, this is the one you have to go through COVID, C19 to identification માટે. અને પછીના જે સેકન્ડ ફોર્મ છે, એકવાર તમને ઈમેલ આવે અને ઈમેલ કન્ફર્મ કરો એટલે then your identity will be there, and then you have to go and create your account. An account create કરવા માટે you have to go through email and account. That's what I'm trying to say.
Got it.
That was a tricky part for me, you know. That's why I'm saying. And once you go through that, obviously, then they require your own photograph, you know, picture. And then second picture, no, sorry, first you require your passport to upload it. And the second one, you have to take your picture with your passport. Okay, so there are two pictures you have to have ready.
This Chile one, you know, when we have to do it?
Now, identity things and passport information that you can do 15 days before or right now. Now Norwegian says 15 days. You can do, in my opinion, right now, because they told me, I called them.
I email, you can check in from today.
Not check in this thing, you know. Chilean form.
He's talking about the form.
Only for Chile form.
Chile form, yeah.
Chile form ni andar ye identity create karwani, that you can do it now, which is, you know, account kholo ane tamaru passport ne. And once you do that, there's, according to Chile office, that is good for it easily 1 month.
Okay, you can do it now. Yeah.
Still have 21 days to go.
I just, Bipin, I want to add, I think everybody should do it here within 15 days because of the internet.
Right.
Issue, like you have to upload the passport and you have
Yes,
to
you are
upload
there.
the pictures. So you better do it here while you are home within that 15 days time frame.
Because of the, you
So
know,
you don't have to upload your passport and photos at that time in the place where you are. So it's better if we can do it. I did it. I already have it, everything already loaded, uploaded on, and their first form. The second form I didn't finish because of that 48 or 72 or whatever is that issue.
Okay. So at least we can do the, you know.
Like see, for example, મને એ લોકોએ પહેલા રિજેક્ટ કર્યો હતો, અત્યારે I am in waiting list, but Neela was approved. So she got this, you know, in her account, you know.
માતાજી કેપ્ટન ને રિજેક્ટ કરી નાખ્યા.
Nitin bhai, you had some issues and they are requiring some specific pictures to be taken. Can you shed some light on it?
I can share light, basically.
No.
To passport picture.
I think Mahendra, you have to upload your passport to the main page. You have to upload that thing, and then you have to have a picture of yourself with the photo ID. So you just can hold your passport, and you have to take the picture only up to certain level. Like they show it in the screen. You will see it. So you have to upload with your photo ID. So you can use the same passport. Me and Hema both have been issued, like we haven't got a rejection, Bipin bhai, luckily for us, but I haven't filled out the Meva Kuno part.
Okay. I just successfully logged in into the Chile account. It's fine. Works.
Yeah.
But anyway, I was trying to show picture photograph, but it is problem.
Make your cruise safer for everyone on board.
If you hear me, please conclude. Somebody say, I just able to hear you only. I cannot see anything else. But
Mahesh
please
bhai,
say-
Mahesh bhai.
See you, we can hear you.
We can
Mahesh
see
bhai,
you and
एक-
hear
एक
you.
minute, Mahesh bhai. I'm recording this meeting. You could probably go through and then ask me a question personally, okay? But we missed it, you can go through. But anyway, so wow, what happened now?
Hello?
Yeah.
સંભળાય છે?
બધા
સંભળાય છે.
ના, મને બધું સંભળાય છે, તમને
સંભળાય
સંભળાય છે.
Oh, where?
આખો screen પર screen નો ખૂણામાં દેખાવ છો બધા મારો સ્ક્રીન બધું લખેલું આવે છે. એટલે નીલાબેનનું પ્રોફાઇલ ને બધું મોટું મોટું લખેલું આવે.
મહેશભાઈ બિપિનભાઈ તો પેલો સ્ક્રીન શેર કર્યો છે ને એટલે અમને બધાને એ જ દેખાય છે.
બધાને એ જ દેખાય છે, ખાલી સ્ક્રીન.
બીજું કશું દેખાતું મને નીચે ખાલી લાઈનો દેખાય એટલે ઉપર તો લખેલું જ દેખાય બધું.
આ બસ
એવું જ બધાને એવું જ દેખાય છે.
ઓ અચ્છા હું તો ક્યારનો મેં કહ્યું, આ શું થાય છે બધું?
We're on the
finally I-
same page.
40 minutes of struggle. હવે ચશ્મા બદલાવાના હશે. તમે કહો એ પહેલા આવે તો ભાઈ હવે બૈડો ધરી
Alright,
બેહી
so
જવાનું
this-
જોવા થાય એટલે બોલે જ્યારે ચાબુકો
Listen.
મારી મારો.
મહેશ ભાઈ,
હમણાં દેખાશે હવે આવશે
મહેશ ભાઈ,
તમને બધા
મહેશ
દેખાશે.
ભાઈ તમારા જોક પછી રાખજો પેલા
આમાં જીરું નાખો.
મારે આ-
દિવસ છે તમારા જોક સાંભળવામાં. પણ anyway, this is the Norwegian letter I was talking.
Right.
Those who claimed they did not receive it, which talks this and એમાં આજે 3 link છે કહ્યું તમને. This first one, can you see that everybody?
Yeah. Yeah.
So the first one is in Argentina ની છે. The second one is
Uruguay.
or whatever it is.
Uruguay.
Chile.
Uruguay.
Uruguay. Okay, I got to talk to JD and try to learn it, this how to say it. But anyway, so these are the 3, all forms are, the links are there. So you go through those and as I said, first 2 are important, last 48 hours. The Chile one is better to do it earlier, portion of it at least. And then finally we can do again and just 48 before. Affidavit is the one which is critical one at the end. So this is what I wanted to show you on this, so that everybody is aware of it. And let me see now, how do I get out of here?
ઊંધો પાડો.
No, I just have to stop. There we are.
હાય.
Sorry about it.
મોટું
મહેશ કાકા હવે દેખાયું બધું?
દેખાયા બધા.
તમે દેખાય ને ઉપર થઈ આયા છો તેમ.
Okay.
નવું બ્લેડ કાઢી લાગે ને દાઢી છોલવાનું.
So everybody, I guess our challenge is really on 16, we have to go clean. And Praful has taken responsibility that Mahesh Kaka ne koi લાલ સટનું દેખાય એટલે દોડાદોડી ના કરે પાછળ. અને મારી જવાબદારી છે કે પ્રફુલ્લને પકડી રાખવાનો. એટલે let's see who succeeds, અને I hope everybody, and I guess બિપિન અને અતુલને કોણ પકડશે ખબર નહીં, પણ hopefully they will do this.
Bipin bhai, one suggestion, I just want to make it for people like to be on safe side.
Yeah.
Start using N95 mask. Don't buy the Chinese one, $1 free one. Buy a good N95 quality made by 3M from now onwards, and take N95 mask even for the cruise and ships and every tour we are taking, just to be on safe side. They might be better than this simple
Yeah.
cloth one.
અને મારો એક ક્વેશ્ચન છે ડોક્ટર અને ફાર્માસિસ્ટ અહીંયા છે, એટલે કે તમે પેલું ઇન્ડિયામાં પેલું કરતા હતા ને નેપોટ શું કહે છે,
નીતિ.
પાણી કાઢે નાકમાંથી એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી બાજુ.
નહીં.
No. Don't go for that thing. Don't go
Nutty
for
pot.
that thing. You might push it in the lungs. So don't do those things.
No,
એનાથી ટેસ્ટ નેગેટિવ આવે કે નહીં એમ પૂછું.
Eh? Nah.
બિપિન નાકના ને
Positive
કોણના
આવે.
તારે કરાવવાની જરૂર છે કોકરા.
So start using N95 3M one, or like if you can get from the hospital one, they are the best one. And carry that with
અમે
you in the
હોસ્પિટલમાં
seat and
જતા નથી.
everywhere. And one more thing, I tried it like when we go to Brazil, like this applies to the people going through to the United, and it might apply to Nirup and you too. Just check it out, because Brazil, even if you are in transit, they want one particular form according to United. So you better check it out, because your flight, if it goes to the San Paulo, you are transiting through Brazil. If you are going directly, then it's a different story. But our flight goes through San Paulo, like that's why I'm telling that those who are coming to Brazil,
એમની flight નથી જતી, એમની flight
Right,
Houston
yeah,
જાય.
yeah.
Houston જવાની છે.
Houston
yeah,
થી જાય.
Houston થી સીધા. ના, but I'm just those who are going through Brazil, better make sure, because in transit, like આ કુવેત વાળા problem કર્યો, Brazil વાળો કે તમે form નહીં ભર્યું, નામ ના ભર્યું, હેરાન ના થાવ એમ.
Is Pinakin and other gang safe that way?
Sorry.
You are not going through Brazil, right?
No, we are going directly from JFK to Buenos Aires.
Okay. તમે તમારે પહેલા બધી જે કેરીઓ બેરીઓ છે એ બધું ખાઈને ઉજળીને આવીશું, ગભરાશો નહીં.
Exactly.
Nilesh, when you guys are coming to Buenos Aires?
We are coming on
15th
14th.
evening.
14th, I think 14th evening.
14th evening, okay.
અમારી flight 3 વખત બદલી છે, કયા ટાઈમે પહોંચવાની.
Yeah, that's what happened to us too. They changed it.
This whole experience is going to be memorable, I guess, after we come back.
અમારી flight already cancel થઈ ગઈ એક.
અને હા,
અમારી એક flight already cancel થઈ ગઈ અને બાકી નવી આવી અમને. Airport બદલાઈ ગયો અમારો.
અમારી તો ખરેખર કહું તો ઓલમોસ્ટ 4-5 વખત ટાઈમિંગ તો બદલાયા છે, નંબર નથી બદલાયા, પણ એટલે અને આઈ થિંક મને યાદ આવે છે કે અમે લોકો those who were with us, આપણે ક્યાં ગયા હતા, સિંગાપોરની ક્રૂઝ લીધી હતી, અને પછી આપણે ત્યાંથી ગયા હતા કેમ્બોડિયા, અને કેમ્બોડિયા પેલી બોટમાં ગયા હતા, અને બોટ વોઝ રાત્રિ મોડા થઈ ગઈ અને ખબર ના પડે
અને બગડી.
સીન અમે લોકો જતા એકલા 5-6-7-8 જણા જે હોય 10 જણા, અને જ્યારે બોટ પર નજીક આવી શોર પર એટલે પાછું કૂદીને બહાર નીકળવાનું, અને જ્યારે બહાર નીકળ્યા ત્યારે ગીતા એ વર્ડ કહી કે બાપ બાપરે, તો હા જીવમાં જીવ આવ્યો. એટલે આપણે
Scary ride, it was a scary ride.
you know,
બિપિનદાસ, વેક્સિનનું ડિસ્કસ થઈ ગયું? વેક્સિનનું બધું
વેક્સિનનું
ક્યારે લેવાની છેલ્લી?
બે ડોક્ટર
Vaccine તો you should have it by this time.
ક્યાં લેવાની?
ના, કોવિડ ટેસ્ટ વેક્સિન તો પતી ગયું.
કોવિડ ટેસ્ટ આપણે જતી
કોફી પીવડાવો.
ના હજુ પેલા પેલાની અસર ગઈ નથી મુકુલા.
અહીંથી જતી વખતે આપણે 4th તારીખે લેવાનું, as far as I know. Nilesh, and if you want to do rapid, I guess you can do rapid on a same day, hopefully they will honor it, even though it will be more than 24 hours, hopefully.
Chance na levaye.
Brazil, according to United Airlines, Brazil accepts rapid test.
Right.
So you can be prepared, like take an appointment for the 6th for the rapid test in case our PCR test is not ready. At least we have the rapid test.
Backup.
Yes, I have the backup.
Brazil do accept rapid test within 24 hours, but so even they say our flight is leaving at 7 o'clock, like that on 6th. So you can take after 5th. On 5th, after 7 o'clock, the rapid test, and they will accept it. Like the United side says this thing. So that's why I took an appointment. I took an appointment for 6th for the rapid test. Just
I
in
also
case.
did the same.
If you go without appointment, they will do it, but then you have to stand in the line, and on 6th, you are worried, like I have to go to the airport and all those things.
અમે એક સેન્ટર જે હસુભાઈ આપ્યું છે નામનું, એ અમારા ઘરની બાજુમાં જ છે, પણ એ લોકો બી એપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ નથી લેતા, રેપિડ માટે લાઈનમાં ઊભું રહેવાનું વહેલા.
CVS વાળા આપે છે તમને appointment જોઈતી હોય તો.
અમે કાલે ટ્રાય કરીશું હવે. અત્યારે તો બધું
I think by January things will be easier.
Easier. My feeling as time goes, they might be becoming lighter and lighter in requirements.
Not necessary, because of
not necessarily, but this is
because
presumption.
of Christmas and New Year and all the parties, more and more people are going to be infected. So actually, it's going to be a little dicey.
હું તમને કહું, I went to 4 different pharmacies વોલગ્રીન વાળા માણસે બહાર આવીને 2 જણા મને એવું કહ્યું કે we are getting this test done through third party, so you better go to CVS. They have direct link and there are chances of getting result within 25 to 48 hours. If you go to Walgreens, you will take 4 to 5 days to get your vaccination done. The test done. So you better, wherever you want to, anybody wants to try CVS pharmacy. They are quicker to get the result.
Only in New Jersey. Only in New Jersey. CVS doesn't perform any tests in Pennsylvania. So, but I'm covered.
Okay, New Jersey બારનાઓ વચ્ચે બોલવું ને એવું કહે છે.
And some of the form, Bipin bhai, some of the form people who are above 70, they don't have to do it electronically. I don't know about all forms, but some of the forms, if you are above 70, you don't have to do it. So those people, I don't know about all the forms. I don't know the all forms, but some forms, if you are above 70, you don't have to do it electronically. So
problem એ છે કે ઘણા 70 ને પેલા લોકો માનસે નહીં કે 70 છે તો શું?
That's different thing.
And homework for the pharmacy owners and the 2 physicians. અમારા બધાની રોજનું કઈ કોટા છે પૂરી પૂરી લેતા આવજો પૈસા. ઉભારા થવાનું જોઈશે.
Everyone is covered, you know. I'll bring, you know.
Thank you, Nikhil. Gross મંદી લાવજે પૈસા. રોજ કોફીમાં નોખી નાલે જ રાખજો એને.
ભાઈ જાને પૂરી ગોરીઓની જરૂર પડતી હોય ને ભગવાન જ ઇશારો કરે છે કે આ છોડો હવે મારું નામ દો.
All right, now anybody has anything to add?
હું બધાનો
Hasn't said anything, so I'll let him sing final song.
કેર કરું છું માટે બોલી રહ્યો છું. મને કોઈ શરમ નથી આ બોલવામાં. માટે
બીજું
ફાર્માસિસ્ટો અને ડોક્ટરો તમે જથ્થાબંધ ગોળીઓ લઈને આવજો ભાઈઓ.
Anyway, okay. By the way, before I as I told you last time, on a cruise we have at least taken space. Now we don't, you know, for our group meeting room, let's call it, every day, and about 4 or 5 days, DJ Mahendra is going to have his karaoke setup there. Okay, so and Pinakin has agreed. I'm just reminding him to bring some songs, I guess. All right, so wonderful. Thanks very much. So I just want, you know, again, we don't have, everybody don't have to be there all the time. You know, cruise has a lot of activities, and I'm sure you want to attend some other things. That's fine. But those who wants to enjoy differently, they can do that.
નવરા પડો તાર થઈ બેહીને દારૂ બારૂ પીને સંભળાય ગીતો.
બીપી મે આપણે કશું
મજા કરવાનું.
કશું બાય કરવાનું છે ત્યાં? Any packages to buy?
No. Right now, જે excursion available આપણે કરેલા છે, એક પોર્ટ પર નથી available હજુ સુધી. But if it becomes available, I think most likely if ship માં હશે તો we will go and take it on ship, you know. Right now we have 3 excursions already booked, you know. So that, if you are asking me that, you know, other than that,
other package like liquor package કે
તમારું ભાઈ થઈ ગયું છે. મને ખબર હતી કે જેનું લેવાનું એનું લઈ લીધું છે. બધાના નથી લીધેલા, તમારામાં એડ થઈ ગયું છે અને you already paid if you don't know. So
પાસા આ ક્રુઝમાં એવું છે કે જે ના પીતા હોય ને એ લોકો માટે પેકેજ લેવાનું છે, જે પીતા હોય એ લોકો માટે કેન્સલ પેકેજ. અધર વે અરાઉન્ડ.
તો મુકુલા જેને પે અપ કર્યું છે ને એના પેકેજ આપણે લઈ લઈએ.
હા, આપણે લઈ લઈશું.
તો એવું કરો મુકુલા, તારી રૂમમાંથી તમે છો ને જે નન આલ્કોહોલિક એ બીજી રૂમમાં જતા રહો અને બીજા જે આલ્કોહોલિક વાળા છે તે
પરફેક્ટ.
બિપિનભાઈ, I have a question.
હાજી,
આપણે જે એક્સકર્ઝન લીધા છે મારી NCL ની એપમાં I don't see that.
it is not an NCL. સાંભળો, it is a group excursion which is offered by NCL themselves, and they are a group division. હજુ સુધી એમણે પૈસા નથી લીધા, મને બધું આપ્યું છે ખરું. They are very slow, and only way I can communicate with them with email. And when I send email, they respond 4 days after. અને અત્યારે ક્રિસમસમાં તો 8 દિવસ થઈ ગયા, 6, 7, 8 દિવસ. એટલે they are already, everything is set. Question is, you know, whether they would put it on our NCL, our or not, I don't know. I think most likely they would do it. The way last email came, I believe they would do it. Okay, but if we are all booked, let me put it this way. The contract is already signed. I have sent payment matters also issue all the required paperwork. They have not charged that or taken money away, you know. So, but it's just time. It like it happened in insurance. I was very much worried about it because insurance did not take money. And I said, my God, I took everybody's money and I sent money, but they have not taken yet. You know, my check was still on the way somewhere in between. Yesterday it got cashed. So I was so peaceful then, you know. આ બધાનો આપણે insurance છે ને કંઈક પાછા કંઈક બહાનું કાઢે કે તારો check ના આવ્યો ને. Anyway, so things are all in the right direction as far as those two things are. Anybody has any question? અતુલ ને બિપિન તો જતા રહ્યા કંઈક પણ કને વાત હોય.
ના બિપિન સાંભળે છે અહીંયા આગળ.
Oh wow, okay. All right.
બિપિન ભાઈ, મહેશ પટેલ મેં 9 to 9:30 ની check-in નો time choose કર્યો છે. Even though you were recommending 11 o'clock, just for your information.
Well, the problem is not mine. Listen to me, Asum bhai, 1 minute. As far as you and Mahesh and everybody concerned, you have to go together. Unless you want to take, because
no, but even if you go late, even if you ask for 9 to 9:30, I don't think they're going to reject you at 11 o'clock.
No, I think you better do it 11:30, go back, we together. The reason I'm saying, because they are asking everybody if you go 9:30, question is how are we going to go from our hotel to there? Because we have a bus lined up for us to go take us. Unless you want to go separately, number one, that's the problem. The second one, if you instead of 9:30, you come 11:30, they have some line there that if you don't come, then they can put you behind, you know, and then you.
Okay, we'll change it between 11:30 and 12.
Which hotel is staying between
11 to 11:30.
Okay.
તમે કઈ હોટેલમાં રહેવાના છો?
અમે કઈ હોટલમાં રહેવાના છે અત્યારે મને નામ નથી યાદ. I think Argentine something. We are very reasonably closer to the port, you know. But I can't remember right now name. The question is, you know, I thought this હસમુખભાઈનો કારણ અમારું ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન ચેન્જ છે એટલે મેં કહ્યું. બીજા બધાને can change different time, you know. This is my suggestion, but that has nothing to do with, you know, that everybody has to follow that. Some people don't have time enough that day because other things to do, or they want to go of last minute shopping or something, then you can come little late. Okay. Or you can go early if you want to, because I was surprised they were given 9:30 because that ship is going to come same way VA came. You know, we are going to come back, which is at 6 o'clock. So people will start leaving between 6 to 11, 12 o'clock. So I was surprised that they were ready. I started checking in
Really?
9:30.
That was the time they showed, so I picked the first one.
I know what you mean, because when I called them and discussed with one of the person, they said I don't think they would check in before 11 o'clock.
Okay.
So I was surprised, you know, that they had more earlier time.
તો આગલા દિવસે 6 વાગે આવશે ને એટલી, you know, how they're going to clean everything and
સવારે આવવાની ભાઈ.
સવારે 6 વાગે 5:30 આવે છે ship. And પછી by the time everybody leaves, you know, depending on whose ship is when, you know, like આપણે જ્યારે આવીશું ત્યારે we can hang on and go.
રોજનું રોજ સાફ થતું હોય.
they clean every day.
They clean
તમે
almost
9:30 પહોંચશો ને તો પછી ત્યાં આગળ તમને આમે અંદર તમારા કાગળિયો ચેક કરે, આ ટેસ્ટ કરે, ફલાણું કરે, ઢેંગણું કરે, એટલે 11 વાગે અંદર જશે. 11 વાગે વાળા 1 વાગે અંદર જવાનું.
9:30 વાળાને તો માપ આપશે.
પછી ખબર છે
હેનરી પેલા 9:30 વાળાને તો માપ આપશે.
આ તો ચાય આપવાના છે મસાલાવાળી.
મસાલા ચા તો માસા ના મળે તો તમારું નીલાબેન નું બેગ ખોલી નાખીશું અમે તો શોધવામાં.
ગિરનારના ચાના પડીકા લઈ લેવાના.
ના પણ તઈ મળવી જ જોઈએ ને, આપણને મળે છે રિહાવાનું એટલે હાલે.
ઓ બિપિન કાકા, આપણી ગ્રોસરી તો શિપમાં પેલા એને કહેજો કે બધી ગ્રોસરી ઇન્ડિયન ગ્રોસરી મુકાઈ દે.
Indian dinner my Indian meal is requested and they have accepted it and everything is documented accordingly. It is મેં કહ્યું તું last time એ પ્રમાણે. Also sauté onion is there.
Thank you બિપિન.
લીલા મરચા
રાખ્યું તું પણ મને અત્યારે ખ્યાલ નથી કરે.
time નીચે
ગાર્લિક
આવો, આવો.
હિતેશ કડકિયાને તો બેભાન થઈને પડશે બિચારો.
એમને માટે લવિંગિયા મરચા કહી દેજો.
એ તો એકલા ભાજીની જેમ ખાઈ જાય માબડો.
Anyway, they have also now, as Bipin was requesting, I tried to change the time to 7 o'clock for. They said no, that is not possible because you have a big group. See, they allow you to go anytime you want, but we request 40 people together. It has to be scheduled, So right now they have given us between 6:30 to 7:30 dinner time for us.
That's very nice time.
And after that also there is a show, if you want to go and see it,
6:30, 7:30, very reasonable, nice time.
I know, but I'm just saying, I try to change it to 7 o'clock. I guess we can always go a little late, but then they will.
આપણે એમના જનરલ એરિયામાં હેપી અવર્સ કરીને ત્યાં બેસી જવાનું, મજા કરવાની, ફોટા પડાવી, ખાવાના ટાઈમે ડોર પર ઊભું રહેવાનું હડા છોડે. We'll have good time, no problem. અતુલ, સૂટા બૂટો ને તારો રેડ વાઇન ખાસ બે ગ્રોસ બોટલો મંગાવડાવી બીજી તા માટે. રેડ પિનોસ.
Thank you.
શેની બોટલો મંગાવી છે?
રેડ વાઇન.
વાઇનની બોટલની જરૂર નથી ત્યાં આગળ. બધા
એમણે all
મને ખબર છે અતુલ માટે ખાસ લખ્યું.
આપણે are we allowed to take our own?
No.
liquor?
No, you're not.
શાંતિ રાખ, તું જ કેવી રીતે?
But it says clearly. Bipin bhai, can you talk about those formal nights?
Formal night.
You can take it up
હવે
to
formal night
You talk about 21st also.
Yeah, formal night, as far as I know, they definitely have 2, maybe 3. Okay, and I'm saying because that's the way they told me. Because
પિનાકિન લોકોને કહ્યું, પિનાકિન
my
લોકો
feeling is,
ઇન્ડિયન
સાંભળે છે, they are
આવજો
listening.
પિનાકિન.
Everybody's listening.
Mahesh bhai, I mute you because you're talking over me.
Yeah.
એટલે ત્રણ expect 3 formal night,
Okay.
That is, I mean, if I were you, I would just take 2 formal night days, you can mix it, ઉપર
Yeah,
નીચે,
yeah,
નીચે,
absolutely,
નીચે,
yeah.
right? But
Okay.
you can unmute Mahesh yourself, and કારણ કે that's the way I expect it, okay? Beside, I don't know, what was the second question you had it?
Mukula.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Second question.
Indian
formal night નું પૂછ્યું. Oh yeah, one more thing.
Entertainment,
As
we have to reserve, right?
Bipin
Before
request
your
is,
time?
એક મિનિટ. Formal night માં બિપિનની suggestion હતું and everybody had accepted last time. No, Bipin accepted that one day would be Indian attire.
મોદી કુર્તી, મોદી
Ladies will
કોટી.
be wearing a
Modi koti. Okay.
whatever it is.
પિનાકિનને ખાસ
Kurti,
કહેવાનું.
wait.
He
Modi
was-
kurti for
Ladies
men.
would be wearing a blue sari.
Blue sari.
blue sari and modi koti one night.
Pause થઈ જાય છે ઘણી.
All right. Okay, night we will decide it when we go there.
Yeah.
All right. Anything? I mean, Niruben, તમે શું કહેતા હતા?
After dinner, the entertainment, NCL requires to reserve, right? Or wherever we want to go.
Right now, they are not. I already inquired. I tried to do it. He says, no, we are not doing anymore. They are not even doing reservation for some other things that, program માટે બી હોય છે ઘણી બધી.
Okay. Then
Because they stopped doing it pre-cruise, they say.
Okay.
That for whatever reason it is. All right. Anything else? Bhaskar કશું બોલ્યો નથી એટલે I assume he's okay.
Complete already Modi kurti.
All right. Mickey auntie, everything is fine. અને બ્રાઝિલમાં no earrings, no earring, no chain in Brazil.
તમે બાય કરી આપશો ને તો પહેરીશ પ્રેમથી.
લઈ જશે કોઈ ગરમી કાપી લઈ જશે.
પણ તમારી રિયલ પાછી ફોની બી રિયલ જેવી ના હોવી જોઈએ. કારણ કે મેં 2-4-5 વિડીયો જોયા બ્રાઝિલના વિશે અને એવરીબડી ઇવન લોકલ જે વિડીયો બનાવ્યા છે એ બી કહે કે ધીસ ઇઝ ડેન્જરસ એરિયા, બી કેરફુલ. So robbery
Yes,
and those things are very
particularly-
common,
Particularly
Brazil
Rio
માં
માં બહુ
પહેરે
careful
છે.
રહેજો. I have been to Rio twice.
Right.
And one of my colleague in my company, that they were really affected very badly. And twice I went to Rio for business trip. And from the time I arrived in the airport to I left, my Brazilian colleague was always with me to make sure that, that was our company rule in Brazil, particularly Rio. Sao Paulo is also, I've been there also 2-3 times. But Rio, I would be very careful. And it's a party town. It's a beautiful town. You will have a great time. There's nothing like Rio. It's my favorite city in the world. But be careful.
No,
Yeah.
but you said, I mean, we didn't have any.
No cash.
નીલા સંભળાતો નથી
નીલાબેન,
નીલાબેન નજીક આવો.
સંભળાતું નથી.
ના એટલે પર્સનલ
કોઈ તમે
ડેમેજ
બોલો ને.
ના પર્સનલ ડેમેજ ના કરે ઇટ્સ જસ્ટ
કોઈ-
snatching purses or stuff like that, right?
You
Urquita.
never know. You never. We can't presume motivate.
It can
ના
get
એમને કોઈ એમને લેવા આવે છે
dangerous
એટલે
because
ઓ
one thing leads
ભાસ્કર.
to another. It gets dangerous there.
એટલે હવે જસ્ટ અમે લોકો 4 જ મેન છીએ અને બીજી બધી બ્યુટીફુલ ગર્લ છે, તો શું અમારે સાચવવું પડશે વધારે? Okay, jokes finished. Joke. Anyway, I know it. Everybody, people who are going to Brazil and Rio, I recommend go to YouTube and search it. The Rio
You were outside
tour
of
and
the-
so forth, and there are some nice, video clips are there. And what JD mentioned, that's what that how beautiful Rio is. That.
વિપિનભાઈ ગજવામાં રોકડા કેટલા પૈસા ડોલર રાખવા જોઈએ?
હવે હેમાં છે કે anyway.
$1.
Anyway, I think we are going to use charge card as much as possible, even though it may cost us more, but we will decide how much to carry around, but not too much. I
Even
guess.
though security guard રાખજો, ચિંતા નહીં.
You will be fine. Don't get too alarmed. You will be fine. You will have a good time. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
અને
હોકીનો દંડો લઈ લઉં જોડે.
નિલેશભાઈ, તમે પેલા N95 ના કયા માસ્ક કહેતા હતા?
3M company.
3M કંપની.
Don't buy the Chinese one.
194. પણ એ લોકો ચાઇનામાં
એ જે બનાવવા 3M નો stamp લાગે ને ભાઈ.
ભાસ્કર બોલ્યો.
Stamp લાગે, that is more important.
બને. મારો ક્વેશ્ચન તો ફાઇનલ છે હમણાં પછી છેલ્લે.
All right, I'm stopping my recording. So
ભાસ્કર,
you can
કોઈ
go
તો
free.
પૂછો
question.
ઠીક લાગે એ સ્વાભાવિક.
I wouldn't be worried about Omicron. I don't know about Delta. I can tell you Delta, how it is in Argentina, or somebody brings it on ship. I don't know. But Omicron, I wouldn't worry that much if you are fully vaccinated.
Alex,
If you are not, then it's a different story.
Delta would be okay too.
So far in the world, I haven't heard anybody died from Omicron. I don't know if there is very little mortality.
મરવાની
I
નથી
think the question is not about dying. The
Yes,
question
yes.
is, what if a case is found on the ship
See,
and
what-
Argentina
what-
refuses to let you dock?
We discussed, right, that
we don't
Omicron
know.
is so mild. Omicron is so mild. They are
Damn,
demanding
damn,
no
mati jai bata.
quarantine. They are
Again, Joe,
demanding no
Mahendra.
quarantine for it.
We're not afraid of the
Mahendra,
Omicron,
If-
Delta, nothing. It's no big
No.
deal.
For Omicron, there is one demand from the business people that people who have Omicron positive don't require them to be quarantined. And to be like little bit more, NBA reduced their quarantine requirement from 10 days to 4 days for NBA player who turns out to be positive for COVID.
But
But
that
that
is US policy.
That is
All
common
healthcare
sense.
Mahendra,
US.
Can I answer?
But there must be some
Right.
safety involved, NBA won't just take the decision just for US, like, here the situation of
No,
suing
there's billions
and
of dollars
somebody.
involved. Nilesh,
No,
billions of dollars involved.
NBA can be sued by a staff. Forget the player, but the staff can sue. The hell, because of this policy, I got the COVID and I transmitted to my parents, and this thing happened. So, like, safety
I
is
have a-
concerned. They make decisions just not commercially, but they think about safety too before they make such decision.
Yeah,
And,
I would like to share something regarding what Bhaskar Bhai is saying and what we are discussing. We were in Tampa last Saturday for a wedding. We just got back from Tampa, and the host had made it absolute clear that everybody has to be vaccinated, boosted, and a negative COVID test before you come to the wedding occasion, and 300 people were there. We all had done it. And we just got the email that the bride and bride's father got the COVID during that 5 days. Mild symptom, but the point is, COVID આવી જ જવાનો છે કે બધા વેક્સિન ક્યાંથી કેવી અમે 300 માણસ રિસેપ્શનમાં બધા ડાન્સ સાથે કરતા હતા. હવે બધા નેગેટિવ કોવિડ વાળી ટેસ્ટ થઈને આવ્યા હતા, પણ તોય હવે who knows ક્યાંથી કોવિડ આવ્યો.
No,
અને
thanks.
આવ્યો અને
That's
5
what
જણા
I-
આવ્યો
yeah, yeah.
અમારા જે 300 માંથી, ને એમાં એક બ્રાઇડ હતું ને એક ગ્રૂમ હતો. એટલે મારી દ્રષ્ટિએ તો 2000 થી 3000 માણસો છીએ આપણે ક્રૂઝમાં. એટલે 3000 માણસો છે ક્રૂઝમાં, ક્યાંકથી ને ક્યાંકથી કોક ને કઈ કોવિડ ની એક તો માણસ પોઝિટિવ નીકળશે સમ ટાઈમ ડ્યુરિંગ ધ ડે નીકળવાનો છે, હું તો માનીને જાઉં છું. કારણ કે 3000 માણસો છે, કોક ને તો નેગેટિવ પોઝિટિવ ક્યાંકથી આવી જશે. અમે 300 માણસ હતા અને બધા નેગેટિવ થઈને ગયા હતા તોય આવી ગયું. એટલે હવે કોને ખબર છે સુધાંશ, એટલે મજા કરીએ નહીં, પણ this is the life.
એટલે પણ તમારે એકને થયું એટલે પછી બધાને ત્યાં ને ત્યાં રાખ્યા હતા?
ના, એટલે અમને તો બધા નીકળી ગયા શનિવારે તો પાછા.
Anyway, આ જસ્ટ કમેન્ટ કરું છું, પણ એટલે મહેન્દ્રનો જવાબ આપવા ટ્રાય કરતો હતો કે એ આર્જેન્ટિના વાળા ડોક ના થવા દે તો we will have few more days on the ship.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is a non-issue. I don't think that is going to happen.
Bipin bhai, both of them are worried for their work rather than what happens, you know.
I don't know. I mean, these are not, answers are not there, you know, when you have a hypothetical question.
Very caution, Nilesh is very positive. Think about it. So we
Yeah,
should be
that is
positive.
true. That is true.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
Over
that's
positive.
an unusual thing according
I was
to.
thinking the same thing, Nilesh bhai. Wow, you are talking positive. That's very
Over
good.
positive.
I tell you one thing.
Realistic, you know.
One sentence which Biden spoke, and I'm not trying to say Democrat because of that. He said one sentence which appealed to me, and he says, "Don't panic. Don't panic. Just be cautious and careful."
Exactly.
We have to be okay.
Right.
And I think
My feeling is when everybody sees the Christ, the Redeemer, the statue, everybody will be happy. Whatever the struggle we are going through now, everybody will forget the struggle and they will enjoy that view from that top hill. Believe me.
એ મુંહ में घी शक्कर भैया.
Believe me.
તમે જે કોર્કોવાડો કયો છો, નિલેશભાઈ, કોર્કોવાડોનું out of this
Beautiful,
world. એના કીધું તો જઈ આવ્યો છો ને બધે.
Yeah, I know. મેં બધા બહુ જોરથી સાંભળ્યું છે કે ભાઈ this is the best thing.
Oh yeah,
one of the best thing
I have been
to
there
see
twice.
in the world.
It is, it's Corcovado, it's called Corcovado.
Right.
And it's beautiful. And
And
Sugar
if
Loaf
we are
Mountain
lucky,
તમે જાશો.
just look at our excursion. If we are lucky, we're going to have like a cogwheel train ride. I don't know if
I'll tell
anybody
you,
has taken cogwheel ride. It will be another good cogwheel ride. Think those positive things rather than COVID, you know. Just be positive.
તમે જે બ્રાઝિલનો ઇપાનીમાં બીચ જાશો ને, ઇપાનીમાં બીચ અને કોપાકાબાના બધું બહુ સરસ જોવા મળશે ત્યાં.
we are living on a Copacabana anyway.
જરા રિટેલ લોકોને શું સરસ.
બધું બહુ સહી. તમે તમારી ઇમેજિનેશન કરો ને મહેશભાઈ, તમે ઇમેજિનેશન બહુ સરસ, બધું બહુ સરસ જોવા મળવાનું છે ત્યાં. કોપાકાબાના અને ઇપાનીમાં ઉપર તમે ઇમેજિનેશન કરી લ્યો.
As far as I know, that is not available. Or Mahesh bhai ત્યાં આગળ those viewing ની આશા રાખશો નહીં.
હા, એવી એટલે ફ્રાન્સના ફ્રેન્ચ રિવિયેરા જેટલી આશા ના રાખતા. તમે ફ્રેન્ચ રિવિયેરા જાવ તો જુદી જ છે વાત.
હજુ જીરાન પોર્ટોલો જોઈને પાછા આવીશું.
With that statement, I think anybody doesn't have a question, we can. Yeah, I hope everybody.
Gonna go to Brazil, Amazon River.
No, we're not going. We won't see Amazon.
No, Amazon is બહુ દૂર છે.
That would be
far
after
from Amazon River.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. We will have another tour. Yeah, we will have another tour too, like that.
Only Brazil.
Manaus,
Colombia and Brazil.
Morocco, we did it. So like Brazil and something, another thing, you know.
Colombia
is good too.
અમે નથી જોયું મોરોક્કો.
Rio again, you know. People are so excited for the Rio beach. We might go Rio again, you know. Who knows?
In fact, I think Rioma itself, not city, inside, walking around, it looks like a very, very, very enjoyable place, There's so many places to see, but anyway, we may not be able to go everywhere because of to be careful and whatnot.
બધા શિપમાં ના બેહવા દે ને પૈસે કે લગાડીને લાયા આવીએ.
આપણે બધા નસીબદાર છે, કોઈને અત્યાર સુધી કશું થયું નથી.
નથી અવાજ આવતો મોટી બેન. નજીક આવો, નજીક 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 આવો.
અવાજ જ નહીં આવતો.
નજીક આવો.
We all are lucky people. So far કશું થયું નથી. એટલે બધા વન પીસ પાછા આવવાના છે. એટલે પોઝિટિવ થિંકિંગ. શું કહું છું તારું ભાસ્કર?
ચાઇનામાંથી પાછા આવ્યા હતા ને આપણે સરસ રીતે એવી રીતે પાછા જ આવી સરસ રીતે.
That's it.
One last thing, અર્જેન્ટિનામાં ભાઈ એવું કહે છે કે લાર્જ બિલ્સ રાખજો.
$100 વાળા.
હા એવું ભાઈ ટ્રીપ એડવાઇઝર પર બધા લખેલું છે.
For what?
Exchange they don't do it smaller bill. That's normal case a lot of places anyway. Exchange karwa jata. Okay. And anything smaller amount you use it for small change, whatever you want to buy or something like that.
But they take dollar everywhere, right? Argentina.
That I don't know. I don't know. Jitesh bhai, તમને ખબર છે ડોલર ત્યાં આગળ એક્સેપ્ટ કરે છે?
Generally they'll take the dollar, but small Argentinian currency રાખે ટીપ આપવી હોય ક્યાંય ને ટીપ આપવાની હોય કે કંઈક એવી બધું વસ્તુ હોય કે ત્યાં કે કોકને કંઈક આપણે ફેવર માટે કહે તું મને આ કરાવી દે ને આ $2 કે આમ કે $1 આમ એના માટે થોડા પૈસા આર્જેન્ટિનિયન કરન્સી રાખી હોય તો સારી. આઈ એમ પ્લાનિંગ ટુ ટેક સમ આર્જેન્ટિનિયન કરન્સી અને બાકી સમ બિગ dollar is acceptable everywhere. At least in Latin America, particularly Latin America, dollar is still is a major currency for them.
Okay, sir.
Big dollar.
All right. So,
All right. Hi, everyone.
Oh, કેમ છો?
ફાઇનલ ગીત ગાવાનું કહી દઉં કે પછી
પિનાકિન ભાઈએ 2-4 ઝોકા ખાઈ લીધા અને હવે ફ્રેશ થઈ ગયા.
I'm listening to everyone. I'm good to go.
He's thinking what a boring time I will have on the cruise. That's what he's thinking, Over discussion.
I have a question. Do I need to bring a mixer, a small mixer, or do they have it on the ship?
I'm not sure I understood you.
Mixer.
Music.
For the karaoke, do you need the mixer?
Okay, Mahendra.
ગયો.
Depends on Bipin bhai, depends on what they offer us on the ship. If you remember one time it was a Norwegian and they had almost nothing. We typically take just the Magic Sing and try to connect it to the TV that they offer and the speakers. And
No, they are going to offer us audio system. Exactly, I assume it's amplification or something. But beside that, they tell us, HDMI cable or connection, that wire we should bring it ourselves.
Okay, so I can bring that. That's what I was asking. If you know
HDMI cable, it's that's what they stated it. I'm
the
surprised why
question-
she said it, because normally HDMI is easier to get it anyway.
Question, hey, Pinakin, what form do you have these songs in then? Is it in the mixer itself?
Sorry, in what form?
What form do you have these songs that you were talking
It's
about?
all in the good reader, so you don't need anything. It's downloaded.
It's downloaded and you'll be able to connect.
You don't need a Wi-Fi. It's already downloaded, pre-downloaded, so anyone can just start and sing out of it.
You will be able to connect from whatever that media is to.
No, that's probably.
Connect your iPad થી direct connect થાય.
I'll have to bring the HDMI cable.
Okay.
And
You
that's,
connect it to your
ask if they can provide a mixer. If they have a mixer, I can put a small one. It's not a problem. But let's find out if you have some contact there. Let me know. I can speak to them and find out what they have. Because
What I'll do, I will send you both,
yeah,
email that I received, what they were talking about it, that you have to
just
bring it.
the list of what they have. Then probably I'll identify it. Yeah.
Bipin may copy me and Pinakin on that, and we will
Yeah.
try to coordinate. I have the HDMI converters from analog to digital, digital to analog. and the RCA pins and stuff like that, I'll bring them, because that's a hiccup we had one time at one of the cruises.
Right.
Hey guys, quick question I have. Are you trying to connect your phone to the TV? Is that what you're trying to do?
No, no.
No, this is
No,
something
we're
to
not
do with
gonna have
karaoke. It's not-
that good a reception, and I don't know
Okay.
how much they're gonna
Because
give
I
us.
actually have a USB-C docking that I use on my phone and I connect it to my TV all the time. Works like magic. So if you guys need it, I'll send it with my mom in case anyone want to use it.
Okay, we'll see if we can use it.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
I have a question. Can your friend, the one you know there, come on the airport and pick us up?
Yeah, all right.
Actually, I
ignore
have a
it,
big
ignore
group in Colombia. If you ever go to Bogota, Colombia, I have about a group of 70 people over there who I train. But I don't have anybody in Brazil.
Next time we'll count on you.
Next time.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. All right, can I say goodbye then, everybody? And
Hey, one more.
Bye.
yeah, yeah.
one
go-
more. With the blue coatee, do you get the Indian attire or the blue coatee for the Western dress?
No, Indian,
No, Modi Koti.
No, there is one night. Yeah, Modi.
No, both-
men can wear any color koti they want, any color, doesn't
No,
matter.
no, I'm not saying that. Modi coatee with the what? Jabolengo or you
Pant shirt.
Okay, that's what's the okay, got it.
All right. Okay,
Pant-
Janagana Mana.
બહુ થઈ જશે નહીતર પેન્ટ શર્ટ